Drone technology has evolved rapidly. Get the latest product news for drones and their uses worldwide, with product reviews and news from users and professional reviewers. Drone technology has evolved into many diverse types of drones, many costing thousands of dollars for specialist tasks, such as professional drones for photographers and journalists. There are of course also many drones which can only be described as toys, but even drones in this class can cost a fair amount of money, such as the Parrot AR Drone, which costs around $300, has a reach of 50 meters, and is controlled with a smartphone app. Commercial uses of drones, for example in the agricultural sector, are among the first to benefit from the new generation of drones. The way in which you can control many of these lower-end drones is very simple. Many of the small drones on the market can, for example, be controlled by your own smartphone because there is an application installed on most smartphones, which the user utilizes by connecting to his GPS phone tracker. Other applications include the power industry, where drones could detect cables fallen after a storm, and zoology to study wild animals from a distance. Business and personal applications and personal use. As drones become more efficient and more affordable, this raises a very important issue: that of intimacy in your home and yard. The Federal Air Administration says U.S. drones flying at a height of fewer than 120 meters are subject to strict rules. The devices cannot approach populated areas, and cannot be used beyond the visual field it controls. However, in years to come, the control and use of drones will be enforced by the FAA, and other countries worldwide have now begun to enforce strict controls about the when, where, and how drones may be used. If you hit or knock down other people's drones in your own yard, you could be charged with destruction of property, but perhaps in the future, there will be a legal framework that does not allow any operators to send drones in front of neighbors' homes' windows or the bedrooms of celebrities. Until recently, drones were only used in theaters of war and for espionage, but they could become ubiquitous soon. From agriculture, meteorology, archaeology to journalism, drones promise to transform many areas of our lives in the coming decades, marking an unprecedented change in our lives every day. A new era is blossoming in the use of drones and other types of unmanned aircraft. We hope to keep you updated with all the latest news and reviews about drones worldwide.